In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Middle clips on PC. So first of all, if you have Middle and you are logged in into your account and you're clipping, as example, a game or something into with Middle, of course, you may want to know how you can basically save this on PC or how you can download this clip on PC. What you'll have to know first is basically it's per default downloaded into your PC. You can, if you want to, send it to Discord if you are connected to Discord, post it on profile, put it in an album, open an editor to edit it, or create a new clip. And if you want to download it, basically, or you want to find it where is it on your PC, you can go and click on Open File Location. Once you do that, you will find it right here. If you want to save it somewhere else, you may want to call download. You can basically just go and click on it, left click, and you can click on copy. So copy right here for Windows 11. If you do have the other option, you'll find your copy button. Again, click on copy and it should be copied. Then you can go and paste this wherever you want. As an example here, paste it. And of course, you can go and open your clip with any viewer that you want, and you should find your clip right there with no problem. As you can see, so there is nothing to be downloaded. You'll just need to find the file location. Where is it found? So to find any clip, you can just go to the three dots and click on Open File Location. And this will show you the exact location of the clip, where is it on your PC, so nothing to be downloaded. As simple as that. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.